How to find coordinates on Google Maps. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Google Map on your mobile device. Now, once inside the Google Map, find the spot on the map where you want the coordinates. So here for an example, let's just tap on this spot for the coordinates, long press on it, and then from the drop down slide up. Now here you can see coordinates available, latitude and longitude in decimal form. Simply copy it. Now once copied, let's just tap on the any spot available here for an example. Now on the search address bar, paste the latitude or longitude you just copied. And that is it. You'll be navigated to the same location we had the spot before. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.